Hey guys, take a minute with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add the battery percentage on your lock screen on your iPhone on the latest iOS version. So let's get started. So in order to add that, it's going to be really simple and easy to do. Let's show you how that's done. So first thing is go into your setting of your iPhone and go to wallpaper, and let's go ahead and add a wallpaper. Now you can add a new one, right? Or you can just swipe over, add a new one. Let's say you're adding a new one just like that. So we'll go ahead and pick maybe a simple color here. Let's go ahead and choose this one. And now in order to add anything, we'll just simply go ahead and click on this add widget option, and then after that you'll see the option for batteries. We'll click on batteries, and then there's two different options. You can select this one or one or the other, whatever you like to choose. So let's say if you want both, just add that at, and then click on X here and add, and after that we can set that as a wallpaper. And then if we lock the screen, right, we'll see here the battery percentage on it. Now you can also do it from the actual lock screen itself. Simply press and hold. It will activate the edit option. We can edit existing one that we have. Maybe you already have one like this, right? You can click on the word customize here as well, and then click on this option. As you can see here, there's add widget. You just simply click on add widget and then battery, and then again you can select the battery, and after that close it out, and then it's done. And then you have, as you can see here, lock screen with the iPhone battery displayed right there. And I hope this video was helpful. If so, please do consider hitting the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. See you guys next time.